it's Claire from NP Seymour at Cranbrook. I hope you're well. What a miserable, challenging winter we've had. But the sun is trying to shine, I think, and hopefully spring is on its way. So let's talk machinery. Our engineering and fabrication department have been super busy this winter, building a range of tabletop strawberry sprayers. Galvanised chassis, stainless tank, and this version, for example, has drop tubes and then an air hand here to just really penetrate that foliage and do the job efficiently and well. We've also been building blackcurrant and blueberry sprayers. We've normally fitted those with micro and turbofan heads because they create a fantastic swirl of air and really get into that bush well. Moving on, fabulous Fendt tractors. I couldn't not mention them, could I? So we keep a great range in stock. This one, for example, is a 207F, and we've also got a 207V. So 70 horsepower, 4-wheel drive, 3 spools, will suit most people down to the ground. Going up in specification, we then have something, for example, like this 210V. This is just over 100 horsepower. Front linkage and PTO, front suspension, larger pump for those that need that higher output. Really nice tractor. We're able to offer some really great deals on these at the minute. So if you're looking for a new orchard or vineyard tractor, then please get in touch with us, because we're able to offer finance schemes from 0%, contract hire, great warranty packages. So please call us. Moving on. Mechanical weeding. This customer wanted a simple rear mounted frame. It's fitted with roll hacks, which I hope you know about by now, but ground driven, and these break down the clods and lift and get rid of those weeds. It's then followed by these finger weeders, which are flexible fingers, and they work around the vine and they lift out those weeds and just level that soil a bit more. Really great tools. These implements, the roll hack and the finger weeders for example, can also be fitted mid-mounted, and by that I mean just in front of the cab we can fit a lifting frame, single or double-sided, to suit your tractor normally. Doesn't matter what colour it is, I won't judge. And then we can also fit these on a front-mounted frame, just really whatever suits you. Also on these frames, or mid-mounted for example, we can fit other things like strimmers or bud rubbers. This bud rubber from Braun, for example, does what it says on the tin, rubber paddles, and that, as well as bud rubbing, will also break down the weeds and grass in and around that vine. New this season from Braun, which we're looking forward to trying, is interchangeable cord, which will fit in place of those rubber paddles as an alternative strimming solution. We're going to be excited to watch that. Moving on, variable width mowing. This mower from Fischer, for example, has hydraulic wings on sensor bars, so it works in and around the tree or vine, or for example this one is for tabletops, so around the legs. This version has a cutting width of 0.95 out to 1.4, so super small. Vineyard versions do anything from 1.4, for example, out to 2.2 metres, and larger versions for orchards can go something from 2.4 to 3.8 metres. So will suit most people's requirements. If you don't want to use mowing heads to work around and you'd rather strim around your tree or vine, then there are other versions available, and those would have a variable width mower body if you like, or a fixed mower body, and then you can mount those strimmer heads on instead. Right, hope that's given you some food for thought. If there's anything else that we can help you with, as well as these, then please do get in touch with us. Telephone number 01580 712200. Bye for now.